Are you looking for the best bathroom exhaust fan? In today's home improvement market, efficient ventilation is more important than ever. Homeowners are looking for bathroom exhaust fans that balance quiet operation, energy efficiency, and moisture control. A great fan not only reduces humidity and odors, but also protects your walls and ceilings from mold. This guide evaluates top options based on airflow, CFM, noise level, zones, energy efficiency, installation ease, and additional features, helping you pick the ideal fan for your bathroom.
Product number 1. Braun New-Tone Bathroom Exhaust Fan 50 CFM Modern Grill Energy Star Fan 2.0 Zones. The Braun New-Tone 50 CFM fan offers a compact yet effective solution for small bathrooms. Its modern grille design seamlessly integrates with most decor styles while delivering reliable ventilation. Operating at 2.0 zones, it maintains a moderate noise level that's unobtrusive but noticeable during use. As an Energy Star certified product, it ensures energy-efficient performance, saving on utility costs while effectively reducing humidity. Ideal for standard bathrooms, it's straightforward to install with existing ductwork. Though not the quietest model, its balance of affordability, airflow, and design makes it a solid choice for everyday ventilation needs.
Product number 2. Braun New-Tone Bathroom Exhaust Fan Easy Retrofit Without Attic Access. Quiet 1.5 zones, effective ventilation at 80 CFM, Energy Star certified moisture and odor control. For those looking for a hassle-free retrofit installation, the Braun New-Tone 80 CFM fan excels. Its design allows installation from below the ceiling, eliminating the need for attic access. At 1.5 zones, it operates quietly, ensuring minimal disruption during use. The 80 CFM airflow efficiently removes moisture and odors from mid-sized bathrooms. Energy Star certification confirms its energy-saving credentials. This model is perfect for homeowners seeking a combination of quiet operation, strong ventilation, and convenient installation. Its straightforward design ensures lasting durability without sacrificing performance. Product number 3. Braun New-Tone Bathroom Exhaust Fan Easy Retrofit Without Attic Access. Ultra Quiet 0.9 zones. Effective ventilation at 60 CFM Energy Star certified moisture and odor control. The Braun New-Tone 60 CFM fan is a top pick for noise-sensitive bathrooms. At an ultra-quiet 0.9 zones, it's nearly silent during operation, making it ideal for late-night use or small spaces. Installation is simple with its retrofit design requiring no attic access. With 60 CFM airflow, it efficiently handles moisture and odor control in compact bathrooms. Energy Star certification ensures energy efficiency without compromising performance. Its compact design, whisper-quiet operation, and ease of installation make it a must-have for anyone seeking both comfort and functionality in a bathroom exhaust fan. Product number 4. Panasonic Whisper Value Ceiling Wall Mount Bathroom Exhaust Fan 50, 80, 100 CFM FV0510 VS1. The Panasonic Whisper Value FV0510 VS1 offers flexible ventilation with 3 selectable CFM levels, 50, 80, and 100, making it suitable for bathrooms of various sizes. Its ultra-quiet motor keeps noise at a minimum, perfect for households that value a calm environment. Installation is versatile, supporting both ceiling and wall mount configurations. Energy Star rated efficiency ensures low energy consumption while providing consistent airflow for moisture and odor removal. With a reputation for durability and reliable performance, Panasonic delivers a premium solution for homeowners seeking a balance of quiet operation, efficiency, and customizable airflow. Product number 5. Oreen 4-in-1 Matter Smart Bathroom Exhaust Fan with light and Bluetooth speaker and humidity sensor. 110-160 CFM, Alexa, app, remote control, auto on at 60% humidity, 1500 LM, 2700 to 6500 K adjustable. The Oreen 4-in-1 Matter Smart Fan brings luxury and innovation to modern bathrooms. Combining a high-output 110-160 CFM exhaust fan, adjustable LED lighting,
1500 lumens, 2700K to 6500K, Bluetooth speaker, and smart humidity sensor, it transforms ventilation into a multifunctional experience. Its Smart Auto On feature activates at 60% humidity, ensuring proactive moisture control. Remote, app, and Alexa control add convenience and integration into smart home setups. Ideal for tech-savvy homeowners, the Orine fan merges performance with modern features, delivering superior ventilation while enhancing ambiance, comfort, and connectivity.